Hello, this is NixJC1 and I'm playing Minecraft on my server. Lag. The thing is, see this text, it's this texture pack I'm using. Well, this texture pack is now the new official texture pack of the server. I love how everything looks, how everything's more simple. It's, well, not simple, I guess. It's got a more real look to it. Glass, panes, I think are wonderful. Excuse me. It's just the simplicity of it. That's not the word. Not simplicity. It's not simplicity. What's the word I'm looking for? The realisticness. I don't know if that's a word or not, but it's okay. But how? I mean, look at this. Oh, what the? Am I having a glitch here? That's not weird. I guess that needs to be fixed. Yeah, they've noticed it. That is funny. Okay. Fix it. Yeah, I've ridiculous ways. I realize that. Thanks for letting me know. I just love how he kept some textures the same. Like the signs and the... Oh wow, let's look at the monster textures. Spiders like glowing. That's just cool. These are some cool textures. I'm lagging pretty bad. Let's check out this. I want to see what, if you like, I did a TNT explosion or anything. I want to say don't worry, guys. Can't wait to see this. Oh, there's a piece of redstone missing. There we go. That's cool. It's getting dark, which is bad for the bad. Oh, that's the biggest one. I'm doing this because I can't see. I know it's wrong for me to do that, but you know. Yeah, the setting's really dark on the Mac. I'm gonna guess it's better on Windows. Well, everything is dark on the Mac. Well, that's pretty much all this video was for, to show you the texture pack. So if you want it, you can just go to homepage, and it will say right here. Just click down right there, and you can get it. So arsenastoweb.com, and then that link right there. So let's just scroll down here. Notice how some of the textures are the same, like railings. That's because it's not supposed to look too different. You know, that's cool. That's cool, thanks. Okay, so this has been Mr. C1 signing out. See you.